Hey everybody, Ian Douglas again. So based on the previous videos that I've made about running these calibration tests, I decided to do another one of these fill tests to kind of see, like, as we're coloring in areas, what do we want to use? And we can see based on the range that I've got from the speed of 300 millimeters per minute all the way up to 1250 millimeters per minute, and different strengths going from 40 to 100 in increments of 10. We can actually see, kind of the sweet spot that I'm seeing on here right now is probably about 60% power, about 750 millimeters per second. It's right in the middle of the range that you currently see with the 5 rows that it's already done. Everything after that's going to be really, really dark based on the power settings and so on. But this will give you a really good indication of how do I want to set my laser engraver for doing different kinds of things, whether you're trying to engrave a photograph or whether you're trying to actually cut something out. In previous videos, you've seen me talk about, actually drawing out the boxes for actually drawing it out and etching it out versus actually like trying to burn very solid areas of the material. So this is definitely something that you can want to do, whether you do a single pass, 2 passes. If you're going to practice, or if you want to set up calibration for actually cutting through the material, like these 3 boxes in the corner here actually ended up cutting straight out, then you can increase the number of passes that you do. But again, you want to pay attention to the actual power and the speed. You may not need as much as you think. In this case, on the etch that you see going on right now, you can see I actually set these really, really strong. I didn't need to set all of this. By the time we get into this 90% pass and 100% pass, these blocks are going to be pretty much burned all the way across, literally burned, and potentially at 300, at 100%, it might literally burn all the way through, which is just a waste of power and time at that point, and also a waste of material. So you want to do these calibration tests with any new material that you get. So any kind of new wood, any kind of new acrylic, anything like that that you're going to use on your laser engraver, you're going to want to run these kinds of tests. As I've said in other videos, you are going to use up material as you do this, and that's just a cost of getting used to the equipment and learning what the equipment is capable of. Cheers.